Hello, Professor. I'm Sayali More, and I'm presenting here assignment fifth. Uh, I'm sorry that I'm submitting it late, but because I was facing some issues, we even discussed in the lecture. And after that, I emailed you regarding the problem what I was facing. Then I connected with Anik, and he helped me to solve my problem. So here is the Eclipse workspace, which is already installed. And you can see here that this is the Eclipse IDE Java. And also I have set up a Tomcat over here. So um, this is done in the Eclipse as well. Next, I'm going to do a login registration and initialization in this exercise fifth. So for that, I have run the query. I've already run this query. I've used the test DB and the dropped user table which was previously created, and I have created again with the fields email, first name, last name, password, birth date, and these are the other fields. And these are the values. And if we check the record, there is the record uh, which has been added for the users table. That I have downloaded the uh, uh, downloaded database file from Git, and I have imported here. So you can see that the files are all login registration and all files are over here. So and for this database, I have already made all the setup uh, of Java compiler and the project facet. So let's run the project. So here, before that, I have also made changes in the user DAO .java file because my login name is same, but the password is different. So here to connect with the database, I have added the username as John because I'm using the account of John, and the password is this. So I have made changes accordingly to connect with this database. So let's run the register.jsp file. So here, this is the page. Now we will add new record in this. So we will hit register button. So here the registration has been done successfully at the login page. To check if the record is been added in the database successfully, we will run this query and check. Then we can see that the record has been added in this table. Now let's log in with the same information. So we added the same information which recently created. So it says it displays the uh, message like welcome, you have been successfully logged in. Now here you can see that there is a record called root. So here, when you log in with root, you can see that they initialize the database list of all the users. So, and here even you can see that the JSON record is been added, which we recently logged in with. So here, when I click on the initialize the database button, it will reset all the information uh, and all the table from the root. So after this, we'll check in the MySQL. So here you can see that JSON is here, and so the is uh, data has been reset and is being changed. So if we log out and log in with the root again, we see that there is no such data available now. And if you want to register again, if you click on the register link, you can again redirect to the registration page, and you can add records like new username and all other fields, and register with the new information. So here in this, as I said, that I have made changes um, in the DAO file for this, and so here this is the code for initialization. When we click on the button to initialize the database, by clicking that button, it called this function and init function, and it executed it's execute this statement, and this is also executed, and it called to reset the table by writing a new data. So this is how we have completed our login, uh, registering the new information, new data, and initialization of the record. And this is how successfully I have completed exercise 5. Thank you.